Description: professional salon quality low shampoo repairs damaged and brittle hair. It is safe on color-treated hair. The Sulfate, SLS, paraben and paraffin-free shampoo gently cleanses and promotes the reparative process of the hair fiber. Benefits: color-safe shampoo is sulfate-free and restores health to damaged hair. Makes hair soft, glossy and revitalized. Suggested use: distribute the damaged hair repair shampoo over damp hair and emulsify. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat if necessary. Top reviews from the United States. I recommend it. I love this product. I would buy it again, and the bottle size is just perfect.